New behavior IntelliCage, the first really automated system for the monitoring of learning behavior. IntelliCage automatically measures the learning behavior of mice living in a social group. The mice remain inside the IntelliCage for the entire duration of the experiment without any further handling. Food is provided in the food hopper. Red mouse houses serve as a shelter. Drink serves as a reward in the experiments and is provided only in the corners. The corners represent 4 operant conditioning units. Access to drink is controlled by programmable doors. The doors can be programmed to open only at certain times, for certain selected mice and in certain places. Usually, a conditioned action of the mouse is required to trigger opening of the door. Once the animals have been marked with transponders and placed in the cage, no further handling is necessary. To inject the transponder, the animal is lightly anesthetized. The skin behind the neck is pinched between 2 fingers to make sure the transponder is correctly placed under the skin between the shoulder blades. By gently massaging down, it is ensured that the transponder will not be lost before the puncture made by the injector heals completely. The animals wake up within less than a minute and can then be placed in the cage. When a mouse enters the entrance tube of a corner, the antenna reads and recognizes the code of the transponder. Each corner contains 3 differently colored LEDs for visual cues. The amount of consumed liquid is measured by a lichometer. There are no spoke sensors that detect attempts to access drink. All corners and their conditioning equipment are freely programmable for each mouse. This allows a high level of flexibility, such as housing test and control animals in the same cage. For example, the door opens for a specific mouse only if the green, but not if the red LEDs are on. Air puffs serve as an immersive stimulus. What are the benefits of IntelliCage? Social housing and home cage testing reduce isolation and handling stress. Up to 16 mice can be housed and tested in the cage simultaneously according to animal welfare regulations. This increases throughput and reduces experimenters' effort. Long-term data can be collected, interrupted only by the easy cleaning of the cage once a week. Series of experiments can be performed without removing the animals from the cage. Automated data collection excludes experimenters' bias and allows high levels of standardization. IntelliCage is useful for many applications. Efficient screening of mutant or inbred mice, screening of the effect of lesions or any orally ingested drugs, detection of subtle differences between strains which are not detectable with conventional tests, studies of cognitive and social behavior. Are you interested? Please contact us.